Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to remove the description column in the categories section of your WordPress website. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate through the WordPress dashboard and make a simple configuration change to improve the organization of your categories. Let's begin by accessing your WordPress site. Start by opening your web browser and going to the WordPress website. Once the page loads, locate the login option, which is typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this login button brings you to the authentication interface where you can access your account. After clicking the login link, you will be presented with several options for signing in. In this instance, select the option that allows you to continue with your Google account. By choosing this method, a list of Google accounts associated with your device will appear. Simply select your desired account to sign in quickly and securely without needing to enter additional credentials. After successfully logging in, your goal is to move to the section of your WordPress dashboard that deals with posts. The first step after logging in is to navigate to the posts area. If you check your dashboard navigation menu, you will find a link that directs you to the posts list. This area is where you manage all your posts and their associated categories. Once you have entered the posts section, you need to switch over to managing categories. Look for the link dedicated to categories within this section. Clicking on this link transitions you to a page where all the categories for your posts are displayed. This screen not only lists your categories but also provides several options for customizing and managing them. While you are in the categories section, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find a button labeled with screen options. When you click on this button, a panel will open showing various columns that can be toggled on or off. One of the columns available for display is the description column. The description column may not always be necessary for every site owner, and in this tutorial you are looking to remove it for a cleaner interface. Within the screen options panel, locate the checkbox or toggle that corresponds to the description column. If it is turned on, simply click or tap to turn it off. This action temporarily removes the description column from your categories list, helping to simplify the view and focus on the essential details of each category. After turning off the description column, do not forget to confirm and save your changes. At the bottom of the screen options panel, you will see an apply or save button. Click on this button to make sure that your changes take effect immediately. Once applied, you will notice that the description column is no longer present on the categories page, leaving you with a streamlined and less cluttered interface that is easier to navigate. This straightforward change can help improve how you view and manage your content categories on your WordPress site. By following these instructions step by step, you have successfully removed the description column from your category list, allowing you to concentrate on the key elements of your website design. Enjoy the improved clarity and ease of use as you continue managing your WordPress content.